Hello everybody, how do you do? I hope you are doing great at well, and I'm doing great as well. Guys, today in this video, I'm gonna teach you one advanced structures of English. That is in order to, in order to, how we can use in order to in our sentences while speaking, while writing. How we can use, and what's the meaning of in order to? What's the English meaning and what's the Hindi meaning? Let me tell you. But first of all, I want to tell you there are a lot of advanced structures which are used in day-to-day conversation, but we don't use. Why? Because we don't know how we can use that all type of advanced structures. And if you use, then you will sound naturally. So we must use advanced structures while speaking, while writing. So in this video, I'm going to cover one advanced structures of English, that is in order to. So first of all, let me tell you what's the meaning of in order to, what's the Hindi meaning and what's the English meaning. So in order to means to showing purpose of doing activities, whatever you are going to do. So behind that activities, what's the purpose, why you are going to do that such kind of things. To showing that purpose, we have to use in order to in our sentences. Got it? And if I talking about Hindi meanings of that words, that is उद्देश्य बताने के लिए, पर्पस, किसी भी काम को करने के पीछे आपका क्या उद्देश्य है वो बताने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं इन ऑर्डर टू इन आवर सेंटेंसेस. गॉट इट? हाउ वी कैन यूज? लेट मी टेल यू, because without take any examples we can't get in better way. So first of all, let's take some examples to get in better way. So for instance, when we say पढ़ाई करने के उद्देश्य से मैं वहां गया, मैं वहां गया पढ़ाई करने के उद्देश्य से, पढ़ाई करने के लिए मैं वहां गया. How we can frame in English? I went there, I went there in order to study. In order to के बाद में हमेशा वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आई. Got it? Always you have to use first form of verbs after in order to. Got it? So I went there in order to study. In order to study, I went there. आप in order to को पहले भी लगा सकते हैं, in order to को बाद में भी लगा सकते हैं. ठीक है? I went there in order to study या फिर in order to study I went there. Got it? दोनों तरीके से आप लोग बोल सकते हैं, दोनों तरीके से आप लोग सेंटेंस फ्रेम कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल्स लाइक मैं आपको समझाने के लिए ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, मैं आपको समझाने के लिए ये वाला वीडियो बना रहा हूँ. आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो, आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो इन ऑर्डर टू टीच यू, in order to get you, in order to explain you. Got it? I'm making this video in order to teach you. I'm making this video in order to get you. I'm making this video in order to explain you. Got it? Let's take one more examples so that you can get in better way. I was standing there in order to get milk from the milkman. I was standing there. मैं वहां पर खड़ा था दूध वाले से दूध लेने के लिए. I was standing there to get milk from the milkman. Got it? Always you have to use first form of verbs. Keep in mind. After in order to, you have to use first form of verbs. Got it? So please make one sentence and let me know in the comment box. Your sentence is उसको मनाने के लिए मैं उसकी पसंद का खाना बना रही हूँ. उसको मनाने के लिए मैं उसकी पसंद का खाना बना रही हूँ. प्लीज फ्रेम एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. बाकी वाला सेंटेंस कैसे बनता है, इसकी इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन क्या होगी, आपको मिल जाएगी इस वीडियो के कमेंट बॉक्स के अंदर. मैंने पिन करके रखा हुआ है, आप जाकर चेक कर सकते हैं. आई होप इस वीडियो के अंदर जो मैं आपको बताया इन ऑर्डर टू का इस्तेमाल ये आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. आई होप this video will be helpful for you, and if yes, then please like my videos, share my videos and subscribe my channel, because one more thing I really wanted to share with you all, that is it's totally new channel guys, so I really need your support. So please share my videos, like my videos and subscribe my channel. And one more thing, please hit the bell icon while subscribing my channel so that whenever I post new videos, you will get notifications first. Got it? Thank you for listening. Thank you.